Points for a possible Qatar-brokered Israel-Hamas deal emerged. Qatar has come close to a possible deal between Israel and Hamas with the help of the United States, in which a 3-day ceasefire will be agreed in Gaza in exchange for the release of 50 hostages. Al-Arabiyya News quoted a source involved in the negotiations. It is claimed that Hamas has more than 200 Israeli hostages in Gaza, of which 50 are children and women. However, Israel insists that Hamas release 100 women and children held hostage instead of 50. The negotiator from Qatar, on the condition of anonymity, also said that if the release of the hostages is implemented by both sides, there will be a ceasefire in Gaza for 3 days. During these 3 days, the hostages will be released, will be exchanged, the evacuation of foreigners will be expedited, and humanitarian supplies in Gaza will be provided in the form of aid. It is hoped that once the fighting is halted, it will lead to a complete ceasefire. The first step will prove. According to the sources, both sides have exchanged the list of their hostages and prisoners, and the work is going on rapidly. The US president also indicated that the agreement for the ceasefire and the release of the hostages will be reached. Israel and Hamas. No statement regarding the success of the negotiations has yet come out. Qatar is playing the role of mediator in these negotiations, while Egypt and Jordan are also using their influence on Hamas.